What test is used to determine whether blood is of human or non-human origin? A. Marquis test. B. Precipitin test. C. Bavarius test. D. Levine test. Answer B. Precipitin test. It is a specialized epithelial outgrowth of the skin that occurs everywhere on the human body except on the palms of the hands and the soles of the feet. A. Nails. B. Skin. C. Hair. D. Pores. Answer C. Hair. What kind of fluid is used to restore tampered serial numbers? A. Etching fluid. B. Stippy fluid. C. Motolite fluid. D. Gun serial fluid. Answer A. Etching fluid. As regards the relation between the site of the application of force and the location of the injury found at the site of the application of force is called A. Co-injury. B. Contrary injury. C. Co-contrico injury. D. Locus minores resistentiae. Answer A. Co-injury. Wounds characterized by products of forcible contact are called A. Abrasion. B. Multiple wound. C. Mutilation. D. Punctured. Answer A. Abrasion. All forms of violent death that result primarily from the interference with the process of respiration or from conditions in which the supply of oxygen to the blood or tissue or both has been reduced below normal level are called A. Death by asphyxia. B. Death by mutilation. C. Death by injection. D. Death by violence. Answer A. Death by asphyxia. It is defined as a remedy or process by which a child is born out of wedlock and is therefore considered illegitimate by the fiction of law, considered by the subsequent valid marriage of the parents. A. Adoption. B. Legitimation. C. Foster parenting. D. Naturalization. Answer B. Legitimation. The introduction of seminal fluid with spermatozoa in the generative of a woman by any means of syringe, pipette, irrigator, etc. is called A. Penetration. B. Insertion. C. Insemination. D. Fingering. Answer C. Insemination. The physical incapacity of either sex to allow or grant to the other legitimate sexual gratification. A. Sterility. B. Impotence. C. Frigidity. D. Erectile failure. Answer B. Impotence. It is an injury that occurs on the side opposite the area that was hit. A. Co-injury. B. Contrary co-injury. C. co-contrico injury. D. Locus minores resistentiae. Answer B. Contrico injury.